everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a key figure in Bengal's history. Murshid Quli Khan, his leadership and influence in the early 18th century helped shape the course of Bengal and even in India. In the next 5 minutes, we will explore his rise to power and his governance and his legacy. Let's dive right in. Murshid Quli Khan was born in 1660 in the Deccan region. Initially, he was known as Muhammad Hadi and served under the Mughal Empire. His remarkable administrative skills earned him recognition and he eventually became the Nawab of Bengal in 1717. But how did a man from humble beginning rise to such prominence? His ability to gain the trust of Mughal emperor and his military and administrative brilliance were key factors in his success. As Nawab of Bengal, Murshid Quli Khan was not only a military leader but also a brilliant administrator. One of his main achievements was Bengal's administration. He recognized the revenue system, introduced more effective taxation and worked on improving the financial situations of the region. Under his rule, Bengal saw significant economic development, especially in the trade and agriculture. He also moved the capital from Dhaka to Murshidabad, which became the center of Bengal's political and economical life. Murshid Quli Khan made sure to balance power, ensuring his rule was respected while maintaining strong relations with the Mughal Empire. Murshid Quli Khan's relationship with the Mughal Emperor was key to the success. Although Bengal had its own rulers, Murshid Quli Khan maintained a degree of loyalty to the Mughal court, which gave him the legitimacy to rule. However, over a time he started asserting more independence, reflected the shifting power dynamics between the Mughal and regional rulers. His leadership also marked the decline of Bengal influence in Bengal and the rise of regional power. The title Nawab of Bengal gained more importance and autonomy during his reign, which paved the way for future rulers to govern with more freedom from the Mughal Empire. Murshid Quli Khan ruled Bengal until his death in 1727. Despite his accomplishments, his death led to a succession crisis with power struggles among his heirs. His son Shuja'ud-Dawla succeeded him but was unable to maintain the stability and control his father and established it. Though this region ended with some instability, Murshid Quli Khan is still regarded as one of the most effective and capable Nawabs of Bengal. His death marked the beginning of more independent Bengal, which would eventually play a significant role in the historical conflict of 18th century. Murshid Quli Khan's legacy lay in his ability to bring stability, economic prosperity and strong governance to Bengal. His reforms in administration and his military stances made Bengal one of the most important regions of India during his rule. While his successor faced challenges, the groundwork he laid was crucial for Bengal's future. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this brief history of Murshid Quli Khan interesting. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more historical content. Don't forget to drop your thought in the comment section. Who would you like me to cover next? See you in next video.